All Gear is the place to get all your gear. Archive shelving, long span shelving and pallet racking. Check out this bestseller. One bay long span shelving, 2.5 metres high, 600mm deep, 1800 wide, nothing to add. Put it straight up, just $383. Don't forget the huge range of bikes, quads and buggies, plus helmets at an everyday low price of just $59. And kids' clothes for all ages. Get all your gear at All Gear. Corner Wagga and McDonald Roads, Albury.
Get in this week to guarantee your gear for Christmas at All Gear Boys Toys. If you want dirt bikes, quads and pool tables, this is your last chance to guarantee your order for Christmas. And don't forget, we also stock glass door beer fridges, in-cabinet dartboards, air hockey pool tables, motorbike boots and more. So order this week and receive bonus packs with dirt bikes, quads and pool tables. And until Sunday, get 10 to 20% off all racking and shelving orders. But you must order this week to guarantee delivery for Christmas. Wednesday till Sunday at All Gear Boys Toys.
Star FM's live this Saturday morning from All Gear Boys Toys.
Now let's get wacky.
Order this Saturday to guarantee Christmas delivery. All Gear will give you great deals. They're clearing ex-demo and old stock. All Gear Boys Toys.
All Gear, the storage experts for the home, office, shed, even warehousing. All Gear has cabinets, rolled edge shelving, parts bins, racking in all sizes and more. No jobs too big or small. All Gear measure, quote and even deliver and install at extremely competitive prices. Save at All Gear Albury.
Get in this week to guarantee your gear for Christmas at All Gear Boys Toys. If you want dirt bikes, quads and pool tables, this is your last chance to guarantee your order for Christmas. And don't forget, we also stock glass door beer fridges, in-cabinet dartboards, air hockey, pool tables, motorbike boots, accessories and more. Plus, this week, you'll get great deals on our huge range of racking and shelving. But you must order this week to guarantee delivery for Christmas. Wednesday to Sunday at All Gear Boys Toys, corner of Wagga and McDonald's Roads, Lavington.
Rev up this Christmas with our new range of dirt bikes, quad bikes or buggies from All Gear Boys Toys in Albury. All great value for money and take advantage of Afterpay. All Gear Boys Toys in McDonald Road, Albury. The toys boys enjoy.
You already know about All Gear's Auto Division for our great range of dirt bikes, quads, clothing, helmets, parts, repairs, and a distributor for Lubrimax oils and lubricants. You also know about All Gear's Storage Division for a range of pallet racking, long span and archive shelving. And now introducing All Gear Gaming, including custom designed and built gaming PCs, gaming console repairs, and current gen console trades and sales. All Gear Boys Toys, corner of Wagga and McDonald Roads, Lavington.